Okay. Yesterday we talked about to be. To be as a present, as a past, as a future. Today we also discuss about to be, but that which possess the position, mean those to be which having the position. Position mean milkiyat. Okay, what are those? We will discuss about the have, has. Have, has also to be that show us the position having some property, but in present time. We will also discuss the to be mean position that having the property but in past. But now come to the point mean present to have. We call it present to have. Definition: it shows the position of a subject in present time. Okay, we will discuss all those pronouns, all those subjects which will be concerned to the property that possess the position. Suppose मेरे पास गाड़ी है. Okay, mean I have something that is a car. So I will write like this: I have a car. Before of this sentence I should clarify that has should be used to which pronouns and have should be used to which pronouns. Like suppose has will be used with she, he, it, any name, suppose Ali, Ahmad. And have will be used to they, you, we, and I. If I write the structure, subject, give me a pen, another one please, give me a pen. Okay, subject plus have comma has plus complement. Over here we are also concerned with the to be, but these to be are to be concerned with the position, mean milkiyat, property. Okay, suppose they have a home, उन्हों के पास एक घर है. If I write these sentences, suppose in negative structure, subject plus do comma does plus not plus have. plus complement. Keep in mind, in negative we take the help of do comma does. Why? It's a general phenomenon of the grammar. Mostly of the students, they make mistake. I have not a home, she has not a home. According to the modern grammar, these are wrong, because we must use the to be, do, does in negative with perspective of the have, has. Have, has, why we keep it over here have, where the has? We possess do, we possess does. Instead of does, instead of has, we use does. Okay, we must vanish or finish the has from here, because we are using does. And why do we have? If we do not have has, why do we have? We use have due to the position. Okay, if I write a sentence, I do not a home, what is this? Okay, I am not showing the property. If I do not have a home, okay, if I am suppose I am using I do not a home, this is wrong. Okay, there is no any property, there is no any position in this sentence, so I must use I do not have a home. मेरे पास एक घर नहीं है. Okay, so it is very necessary to use have in the sentence. Come to the point. Now interrogative, same, do comma does plus subject plus have plus complement plus question mark. It is very necessary. Does she have a ball? क्या उनके पास एक बाल है? So why do I am not using the has with the does? Because I am using does. If the does come, the has will finish, and we will use also have with the she, he, name, etc. वगैरह. Okay, so this is a sentence. If I am using it in interrogative, do comma does plus subject plus not plus have plus complement plus question mark. Okay, so does he not have a pen? क्या उनके पास एक पेन नहीं है? So if I will write, okay, over here, keep in mind, over here we use the to be with what? With position. Okay, present to have we used, and we also understand the definition. Okay, we also understand the structures, we also understand the pronouns, we also understand have and has, to whom we have to use has, to whom we have to use have, and also we understood do comma does. Okay, and also the usage of do does. But the most important of point is over here, it was in present. I mean, it is in present. We understand the position in we understand the position in present time, but we also need the position in a future time. So suppose in past time, suppose past to have. Okay, over here the past to have mean we have comma has in present. Okay, the present of have, has is had, and the do comma does we have, and the past of do does is did. Okay, we will use like this. We use have, has in present, also we use the negative do does. We will use had, and also we use did with. Why we are not using the do does? Because we are concerned to the present, so we will use did. How definition? First of all, it is necessary definition. Okay, it shows it shows the position of a subject in past time. What was that? In previous we understand it shows the position of a subject in present time. It is using the position of a subject in past time. Okay, structure subject plus head plus complement. Okay, she had a home. उनके पास घर था, है नहीं था. We are concerned to the past. Okay, if I use it in negative, she did not have a home. उनके पास घर नहीं था. Why I am using did? Because we use the do comma does in present and its past is did. Okay, we use have has in past for had. So why we are using over here have present? Because it show the past time. We do not need to use the again had. We do not need to use again had because it show us the past time. It show us the past time. So we do not need to use the again had. So we will use the have. Okay, why we are using have? Because it shows us the position. She did not have a home. Okay, did I have a ball? क्या मेरे पास एक बाल था? Okay, did they not have a car? क्या उनके पास एक कार नहीं थी? Okay, question mark. So this was the topic for today. We understood what present. First of all we understood to be. Which to be? That position. Okay, milkiyat wale. Okay, property. We understood the to be of property. Okay, what was that? Have comma has. Okay, with have has we understood do comma does, and also we understood the past. Okay, what was that? Had, and also we understood the did. Okay, so thank you for listening. This was today topic.